All this work is necessary. I hate to be the number 2. I don't even like February. I'm someone that you could study, even take a photo, and work as hard as I do. One day you might be the logo. So motivated, I'm so dedicated. I work this hard to be the best. I guess first place my favorite. You ever fall off, tell yourself to get back to the basics. I just gotta make it. I just gotta make it. Yeah, hit it harder. Yeah, hit it harder. Yeah, hit it harder. Yeah, hit it harder. Yeah, going harder, playing smarter, going farther. Hit it harder.
Yo, I'm Jason Eubanks, and today we're going to be looking at the Lord Field Blizzard Whiteout. Thanks again to Darius Cotton. He's the one that supplied the bowling ball, so thank you again. We're going to be trying it out at AMF Tempe Village in Tempe, Arizona. This is going to be my first time there, despite it being like 10 minutes away from Bolero Mesa. So many places to choose from, gotta catch them all. Pokemon! Oh, okay, no. So we're going to start the 5-shot challenge. So you know the ball is fresh off the press, straight to the lanes, no practice shots with it at all. So we learn these adjustments together. So let's start the 5-shot challenge. Yo, yo, yo. It's your boy, Mr. Eubanks. Getting loose with the 5-shot challenge here. 3D attack. So this is kind of one of those times where it's like, be careful what you wish for. I've never bowled here. And so, as you can see, half the lanes are cosmic. Well, not half, because it's only, what, 32 lanes? So 3/4 of the lanes are cosmic. So before they went cosmic, I threw one game down on that end, right? So I guess they didn't know I was worthy enough to bowl in the lights. So they moved me down here and everything, right? So they moved me down here, and I'm easily, I'd say 10 boards left than what I was down on the higher side. But I guess that side wasn't oil. He's like, oh yeah, they're oiled down here. But I'm way further left. So them parties are actually better for this place, because obviously the amount of friction it is here, right? So the amount of friction that's down here has me way further left than when I was down there. So it's like, is bowling on the fresh always the best thing, you know? So I'm gonna throw one more shot, then we'll get over to our feature presentation. It's like, please put me on a party pair after this. Because if the fresh is like this, my goodness. But at least we kind of have an extreme idea of, hey, will I throw this ball here? Yes, no. And as long as this ball looks, the Blizzard, what is this? Not the Meltdown, the Whiteout. So as long as the Blizzard Whiteout plays this same way, it'll be a fair comparison, you know? So we are going to go to our feature presentation. The Blizzard Whiteout, another exclusive. Joe Poe got the blue thumb in this one. Ball's never touched the lane. I'm gonna stand in the same spot, so hopefully it does something. 5-shot challenge, first shot. Okay. What's that? You got a picture, dude? Woohoo! See, run out. So while we reset that, sorry. Talking to my guy, look, gotta say hi to the camera, look. Say hi, wave to the camera. It's my guy, y'all remember Carter? All right. So based on that, I gotta move right. So I'm gonna say, let's go about 5 right. Because I was kind of standing unknown there, just kind of somewhere in the bar return and just flinging it to the right. So let's go about 5 right. Second shot. Okay. I'm gonna move a little bit more right. That was kind of a little bit too forward. Not the best of shot. But you guys saw that they were flying, so at least I'm at the boards I can count now. Standing about 30. Let's see what we get. Shot number 3. Maybe. Okay. Maybe two back left. So the 3D Attack and this Blizzard Whiteout are drilled out the same. 5-inch pins. 65, 5, 30. So let's go 2 left off of that 410. See what we get. Better. There we go. Not too bad. Looks good, a lot mellower. So when they are flying, you can kind of throw this. So one more shot. 5th shot. 5-shot challenge. Same spot off of that 2-board adjustment we just made. See if we can go 10 back again. Maybe. Okay. Okay, so you guys just watched the 5-shot challenge. We're gonna get over to the edit. All shots are sequential, picking up right after the 5-shot challenge. So we're gonna check out the edit. The beat is produced by yours truly, your boy, Mr. Eubanks. Patreon members and YouTube members, this beat is called Don't Stop. This will be in that beat folder. And also, February is around the corner, so to be entered in the Hit It Harder jersey giveaway, just be a YouTube member or a Patreon member, any tier level, starting at like $2 a month. All right, so let's go check out the edit. Okay, so final thoughts. As you can see from the first shot of the 5-shot challenge to the last shot of the edit, this thing picks up like in the mid part of the lane. When I first threw it, I didn't think, I was like, oh, I gotta move like 15 right from where I threw the 3D attack, but as I threw it more, you can start seeing the full potential of it. It picks up really deep, like a lot in the mid part of the lane. It's not like exotic early, which is a good thing, but it's not, it doesn't go as far down as like a 3D attack would. So I like all my stuff to get down the lane a little bit further because I don't need all the help in the middle part of the lane. It didn't die out though either, so that's a bonus, but I just couldn't sit in this ball for too long. So when it's time to get out of it, it's just time to get out of it. There's no adjustments for it, there's no moving, because then you just put yourself in those weird situations where you're way further to the left than you need to be, trying to compensate for the ball picking up early. Then you might leak a couple and it's not gonna come back from those ridiculous angles, you know what I mean? For the time that it was good, it looked great. I just can't throw it for that long. So if you're looking for that reaction to pick up early and have that smooth look, consider checking it out. All right, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.